What is up, you guys? So today I just wanted to go for a fall is coming. Well, fall is already here, but the weather is not really here. It's still hot as balls outside. But I'm into like these burgundies and oranges, you guys. So I decided to bring to you guys a quick little tutorial. It's not really a tutorial because, you know, like I told you guys before, I'm not really a professional. So again, don't come for me in the comments. But hold on, you guys, something's on my camera and it looks dirty. Sorry guys, let me fix my straps. So I decided to go ahead and come up with a quick little tutorial with using some oranges and burgundies, and also I love a burgundy lip, especially for the fall. I think it just pops everything off. I sort of was just winging it, you know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys really do enjoy this video, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and join the fam. And also don't forget to like and comment, and feel free to share and follow along if you can. The stuff that I used was the regular, which was in my previous video if you want to check. I'll try and drop everything down in the description if I don't forget, but this is just basically how I decided to do my makeup. Like I said, you guys, it's not really a tutorial because I, again, am not a professional. I'm just a simple girl that just loves makeup. So if you love makeup too and you like to see me create some little different looks, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and leave me some comments below if you guys have any more videos that you guys may want me to go ahead and do. And also, you guys, I also have vlogs, I also have makeup videos on my channel, so feel free to check those out as well. I went ahead and put on the hat just to give it like a little fall look because, you know what I'm saying, I had my do-rag on, I got my twist done, but I just got done washing my hair, so there's no way that I was gonna unravel my hair just for this video. Nope, she's staying in the twisties. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys all soon.